Looking for a trail camera that doesn't constantly need batteries to be charged? Well, look no further. Today we are unboxing, installing, and reviewing the Guard Pro E8 2.0. And yes, it comes with a very large lithium battery inside. We also are going to connect the solar panel to it. That way, I never have to come out and recharge it again. So out of the box, this is what we have: the solar panel and the manual here and the connections for it, the actual camera here and the strap, and also the manual, and a USB cord to charge the lithium battery before actual using. This setup is designed to provide long-term outdoor monitoring while reducing battery replacement through solar charging. So the battery has two side cameras, an infrared camera, and your night vision camera. It also opens up like this, and your setup and your on-off button and USB SD card installation is all on this side, and this is the battery on this side. Down at the bottom is where the cord from the solar panel comes in, and it plugs right in there, so continuously being powered. The solar panel is your standard solar panel pretty much. You have the connection cord to the camera here, and we have our connection here to the tree and everything else. So I have picked out a tree that I want to mount this on. So we have the solar panel installed, and now we're going to go ahead and connect the camera itself. For the time being, I'm going to leave the camera for the time being, I'm going to leave the solar panel at this adjustment level. And if I need to make adjustments so that more sun hits it, I will do so. But for now, I feel that this is going to be okay. We now have the solar panel and the camera connected together. And I have the menu open so you can see what exactly is in it. This comes with its own Wi-Fi. So it has a Wi-Fi, it has your mode, and there are 3 modes for that. Oh, let's get out of that and go down. There are 3 modes for that: motion detection, time lapse, or hybrid. I'm going to set it on hybrid. And then we have it on, you can choose photo or video or a combination of both. Right now, I just have it on photo. And then you can choose the quality of the photo also, and how big you want it to be. You can do burst. You have video quality. Right now, this is set up to 4K. The video length is 10 seconds during the day, 10 seconds at night. Video sound is currently on. The format is MP4. Detection delay is 10 seconds. PIR sensitivity is set to medium. False trigger has a low setting. Side motion sensors are currently off. I think I'm going to turn them on for now. Motion test is on. Time-lapse intervals are on. And as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that you could go through and set. I've already set my time zone and the date and time for this. So you click menu to get out of this, and you can see that it's actually showing stuff now. And the last thing we need to do is to remove the film from the cameras. So we're going to do that. And installation is complete. Now, when you're installing this, you need to figure out where you want it and what type of activity you want to use it for. So you're going to select your tree where you're going to put it at. You want the height anywhere from 3 to 5 feet. You want it to avoid direct sunlight, avoid moving branches, facing north when possible, and good animal trails and stuff like that. So I think I have it in a good spot. And overall, I want to thank GardePro for sending this out to me. My family and I are definitely going to love it, love it. I started looking for a trail camera earlier this year when my sunflowers that I had down in my 5-gallon buckets mysteriously got eaten from the top. It's almost as if something climbed up onto the plant itself and bit the head off and took it with them. I still have no idea how that happened or what the animal was. So this will help me see what's going on at night here on the homestead. So my final thoughts, the installation was pretty straightforward, and the pairing with the GardePro Trail Camera came with the solar panel to reduce maintenance by keeping the camera powered during the daylight. And the solar panel is going to make a big difference. I'm pretty sure that, as I said before, we're going to have some wonderful footage. And in the future, some of that footage will show up in my videos. So I hope you found this installation interesting and informative. If you're interested in purchasing a trail cam from GardePro, I have a link and discount code that I'll put in the description and comment portion of the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of stuff by myself, but can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell also. Don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Also, leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up on this video. Those of you that live in rural areas such as I, do you use trail cameras? And if so, any suggestions what I should be looking for? And how do you like having trail cameras? Until next time, always remember to give God the thanks, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.